morning, dear student. Today we'll see the problems based on Cauchy's integral formula. First question: evaluate integration of z square minus z plus 1 divided by z minus 1 into dz, where C is the circle. So first result we need to find mod z is equal to 1. This is a circle 1 of radius 1, and mod z is equal to 1 by 2, and this is a circle of radius 1 by 2. Now, so here solution, here f of z means only the numerator part we have to consider as what here, f of z, and a is equal to 1. What is this value we have to collect it from? So this is a place of z minus a. If you compare the Cauchy's integral formula, this belongs to z minus a. Z minus a means this is a place of small a, so a value is 1 here. So this a is equal to 1, and these two results we have to compare. Now, since f of z is analytic on circle, so first circle is mod z is equal to 1. For this z is equal to 1 and the value a is equal to 1, both are same. So for such case I can say that this a is equal to 1 is a point on this circle, means lies on C, means both are same. So here radius also 1 and point is also 1, so therefore we can say that lies on C. C stand for this curve. So therefore by Cauchy's integral formula it is given by f of a is equal to 1 upon 2 pi I integration f of z upon z minus a into dz, which can be written as integration of f of z upon z minus a into dz is equal to 2 pi I into f of a. So here f of z is nothing but what here? It is z square minus z plus 1, z as it is. The value of a, this value of a is nothing but 1. So you just see that we'll get back our given question is equal to, so 2 pi I, so value of a is 1, you replace it here. So therefore this f of 1 means this replace z is equal to 1 here in this expression. So 1 square is 1, z is equal to 1 means 1 square is 1 minus 1 plus 1. So it will become out here 1 only, because plus 1 minus 1 cancel 1. So this is the result for result number 1. Similarly we need to find for mod z is equal to 1 by 2. Mod z is equal to 1 by 2. Here mod z is equal to 1 by 2. This is one of the curve. In this we know the value of a is 1. So our circle of radius is 1 by 2 and a. So here I can say that a is greater than 1 by 2, means this is a circle and our point, so just I will say that, so I will draw one curve of radius 1 by 2, and a is equal to 1. From here a is somewhere here, a is equal to 1 means this is a given circle, that is z is equal to 1 by 2 half, and our point is outside, a is equal to 1 is outside. So therefore, so previous one a is equal to 1, that's why it is inside. So but here it is outside. If it is outside, always we have to use the Cauchy's theorem, not Cauchy's integral formula. So Cauchy's theorem, if it is outside, we have to directly claim that it is equal to 0.